All about cherries, the sweet and juicy fruit. Introduction to cherries. Cherries are one of the most delightful and flavorful fruits. These small, round and bright red or yellow fruits are loved for their sweet, tart flavor and are packed with health benefits. Did you know that cherries have been celebrated for centuries and were even used for medicinal purposes in ancient cultures? Scientific name: Prunus avium, sweet cherry, or Prunus cerasus, sour cherry. Family: Rosaceae. Native to Europe, Asia, and parts of North America. Grown in USA, Turkey, Spain, Iran, and other temperate regions. Types of cherries. There are many varieties of cherries, but here are some popular types. Sweet cherries, Bing, Rainier. Large, sweet, and perfect for snacking. Sour cherries, tart cherries. Smaller, more tangy, often used in pies and jams. Montmorency cherries, the most common variety of sour cherries, perfect for cooking. Morello cherries, a type of sour cherry known for its dark color and tart flavor. Nutritional value of cherries, per 100 gram. Calories, 50 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 12 gram, natural energy. A fiber, 1.6 gram, supports digestion. A vitamin C, 7 milligram, immunity booster. A vitamin A, 64 IU, that is, international unit. 1 IU of vitamin A is equivalent to 0.3 microgram of retinol or 0.6 microgram of beta-carotene. Supports healthy vision. A potassium, 173 milligram, supports heart health. A water content, 82%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of cherries. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Helps fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. 2. Good for heart health. High in potassium, helps lower blood pressure and maintain heart health. 3. Supports sleep. Contains melatonin, which helps regulate sleep patterns. 4. Reduces inflammation. Cherries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. 5. Boosts immunity, rich in vitamin C to help prevent illnesses and infections. 6. Helps in weight loss, low in calories, making them a healthy snack option. Fun facts about cherries. Cherries are one of the oldest cultivated fruits and have been grown for thousands of years. Cherry trees can live up to 30 years, producing fruit year after year. Sweet cherries are often eaten fresh, while sour cherries are more commonly used in cooking and baking. The largest cherry ever recorded weighed 1.6 ounces, 45.4 grams. There are about 1,000 varieties of cherries grown worldwide. How cherries grow. 1. Cherry trees thrive in cool, temperate climates and require well-drained soil for healthy growth. 2. They bloom in spring, producing beautiful white or pink flowers that turn into small green fruit. 3. After 3 to 5 months, cherries ripen and change color from green to red, yellow, or purple. 4. Cherries are harvested in summer, with early varieties ripening first and later varieties following. Uses of cherries. 1. Eaten fresh. Enjoy them straight off the tree for a delicious treat. 2. Cherry smoothies. Blend with yogurt or other fruits for a refreshing drink. 3. Cherry desserts. Cherry pies, tarts, cakes, and cobblers. 4. Cherry jam and jelly. A sweet spread for toast or pancakes. 5. Cherry juice. A tart and refreshing drink that can be made at home. Conclusion. Cherries are delicious, versatile, and full of health benefits. So, whether you're eating them fresh, using them in a dessert, or drinking cherry juice, you're enjoying one of nature's sweetest fruits.